Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring you a very interesting product. We are talking about the CHIGEE AIO-5 LITE, which basically it's a monitor for your motorcycle. It gives it it shows you more things than the traditional dashboard of a motorcycle, and it is a really interesting product that I am lucky to partner with CHIGEE to have in my channel. With that in mind, I'm gonna start showing you the box, and you will see that inside we do have the monitor and two cameras, front and rear camera, along with a little card, quick instructions manual from CHIGEE, okay, which gives you the QR code to download the app, the CHIGEE app, where you can connect, and then you have a more complete and detailed installation manual so you can install everything on your motorcycle. Let's put it here on the side for now. And like I was saying, we do have the monitor here. It is really good quality, well built, everything is aluminium, it's not the plastic ones. I do have another one, it's a review on my channel. It's 100 euros or 120 or something like that, but the build quality is completely different from this one. Really nice buttons on the top. The screen, it's a 5 inches screen, good quality. You can buy a screen protector if you want. And on the rear we do have the cables where we'll connect everything. Along with this monitor we do have two cameras, like I said, front and rear, as you can see here. And how you distinguish the front and rear, it's super simple. The front one has 1.5 meter cable, the rear one has a 2.5 meters long cable. That's the only difference that you can distinguish both the cameras. Sony sensor, EMX307, you can record 180 at 30 frames, and you have a 136-degree view with this camera. Underneath this, we do have two boxes, box A and box B, and we're gonna open these two boxes. We're gonna start with box A, where inside we do have keychain, the cables to connect to the batteries, and the GPS module cable. So everything will be, it's explained on that sheet how to connect everything, and the wires are super simple and easy to install. Now we're gonna open box B. Okay, this is stickers, 3M stickers, zip ties, all the tools that you need to operate. You have handlebar support here, and you have some adjusters here for the handlebar. But in my case, since I have a scooter, I don't need this handlebar. I ordered the mirror mount. More things I can tell you about this AIO-5 LITE. Wireless mirroring, so it's Android Auto and Android CarPlay. Drive recording, which I already told you, with the two cameras. One of the features that I do like on this, it's the blind spot monitoring. So CF Moto with an 800 MT already has a system similar like this, but it's a 13,000 motorcycle. This is a 500 and something euros kit that you install on your motorcycle, and you have this blind spot monitoring, which basically, using AI, it detects if someone is overtaking you, and it will show on the screen on the left or the right where that car is approaching you. Again, waterproof, dust proof. Of course, you can receive your notifications, your calls and everything. Anti-shake system. You can control the music on your phone. More features: parking guarding, which basically means that if anyone touches your motorcycle while she's off, it automatically starts recording. Digital stabilization, tire pressure monitoring, but for that you will need these two valve caps. Okay. They work wirelessly. They just put on your motorcycle. You can install this on this scooter if you want, but we are talking about motorcycles, and you can monitor the tire pressure on your motorcycle. And the last feature, it's the remote control. So if you don't want to be touching on the screen, you can buy this remote control, which you install on your handlebar, and then you can control everything through the remote control. Again, it's wireless. And I'm gonna emphasize that it is not a cheap product, but the functionality and the build quality and everything that's this box, or the experience that this box or unboxing gives you, it's well worth the money. This is just the unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to install everything on my motorcycle, and then I will bring you the proper review. But I can honestly tell you that I'm very excited to try this product live. Having said this, guys, I hope that you like this presentation of the CHIGEE AIO-5 LITE. If you did, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!